Very good morning, children. Sairam. So, welcome back to our maths class. Okay. So, in the previous class, we have started a new chapter, right? What is the chapter? Measurement, right? And we have learned some units: centimeter, meter, kilogram, grams, like that, right? And we have learned the conversion of uh, centimeter, conversion of meters into centimeters, right? Conversion of meters into centimeters. So what we have done to convert meters into centimeters? So we have multiplied that number by 100, right? So to convert the bigger unit into a smaller unit, we have to multiply. Okay, so to convert the bigger unit into a smaller unit, we have to multiply. Okay, so to convert the bigger unit meter into the smaller unit centimeter, we have to multiply by 100. Okay, multiply by 100. Okay, so these are all the things we have learnt in the previous class, right? So today we are going to learn how to convert centimeters into meter. Centimeter is the smaller unit and meter is bigger unit, right? So to convert the smaller unit into bigger unit, we have to divide. Okay, we have to divide. So to convert centimeters, the smaller unit centimeters, into bigger unit meter, we have to divide by 100. Okay, we have to divide by 100. Okay, children, this is the small thing you have to remember. Okay, so this is the common thing for all the units. Okay, what is the thing? So to convert bigger unit into smaller unit, we have to multiply. Okay, at the same time, to convert smaller unit into bigger unit, we have to divide. Okay, so these are the two things you have to remember. Okay, this is the common thing for all units. Okay, centimeter, meter, or gram, kilogram, or milliliter, liter. Okay, this is the common thing for all units. Okay, so again I am telling. Okay, so to convert bigger unit to smaller unit, we have to multiply. Okay, to convert smaller unit into bigger unit, we have to divide. Okay, see, conversion of centimeters into meters. So centimeter is smaller unit and meter is bigger unit. So we are going to convert smaller unit into bigger unit. So we have to divide. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, so to change a length given in centimeters into meters, we divide by 100. Okay, we divide by 100. For example, 100 centimeter. So we have to convert this 100 centimeter into meters. So what we have to do? We have to divide it by 100. So 100 divided by 100, which is equal to 1 meter. Okay. The next example, 200 centimeter. So we are going to convert this 200 centimeter into meters. So centimeter to meter. So what we have to do? We have to divide it by 100. So 200 divided by 100. So 200 divided by 100. So cancel common number of zeros. So remaining is 2. So 2 meters. Okay, 200 centimeter is equal to 2 meter. Is it clear, children? Have you all understood the concept? Okay. So to convert centimeters into meters, we have to divide by 100. Okay. Suppose to convert meters into centimeters, then we have to multiply by 100. Okay, 100 is the same. Only thing, from smaller unit to bigger unit, then we have to divide. From bigger unit to smaller unit, we have to multiply. Okay. So based on this conversion, we shall do exercise problems. Okay. Exercise 8.1. So in this exercise, first problem is for you. Okay. So take your book and you can look at the first problem. Okay, it's very easy. So you are going to find out the length of your pencil, your eraser, like that. Okay, and you have to find the length and write it in the book. Okay, so first problem is the home assignment for you. Okay, so find the length of your pencil, eraser, okay, and write it in the book. Okay, children. So second problem we shall do now. Okay, second one, convert into centimeters. Convert into centimeters. First one, A, 9 meter 99 centimeter. Okay, 9 meter 99 centimeter. So only thing, we have to convert this 9 meter into centimeters, and then we have to add with this 99 centimeters. Okay, so first thing, we have to convert this 9 meter into centimeters, and we have to add that with this 99 centimeters. Okay, so that's the thing we are going to do now. Okay, so how to convert this 9 meter into centimeter? So to convert the bigger unit, meter is bigger unit, right? So to convert bigger unit into smaller unit, what we have to do? We have to multiply by 100. Okay, we have to multiply by 100. So as we know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we have to multiply by 100. So 9 meter is here. 9 meter is equal to 9 into 100 centimeter. So which becomes 900 centimeter. Okay. So we have converted this 9 meter into centimeters, 900 centimeters. And in the next step, we have to add this 900 centimeter with 99 centimeter. Okay, so 900 centimeter plus 99 centimeter, which is equal to 999 centimeters. Okay. First thing, we have to convert meter into centimeter. Okay, and then we have to add that with this centimeters. Okay, so how to convert meter into centimeters? We have to multiply by 100. Okay, is it clear, children? Yes, so we will do the next problem. B, 15 meter 47 centimeter. Okay, 15 meter 47 centimeter. So first thing, we have to convert this 15 meter into centimeters. So what we have to do? We have to multiply this 15 by 100. Okay, so 15 meter is equal to 15 into 100 centimeters. So 15 into 100 is equal to 1500 centimeters. Okay, and the next step we have to add this 1500 centimeters plus this 47 centimeters. Okay, so 1500 centimeter plus 47 centimeter, which is equal to 1547 centimeters. Is it clear, children? So we have converted into centimeters. Okay, the next one, 4 meter 75 centimeter. 4 meter and 75 centimeter. So what we have to do first? So we have to first convert this meter into centimeter. How to convert? We have to multiply by 100. So 4 meter is equal to 4 into 100 centimeters. So 4 into 100 is equal to 400 centimeter. Okay, and then we have to add this 400 centimeter plus this 75 centimeters. So 400 centimeters plus 75 centimeter, which is equal to 475 centimeter. So we have converted into centimeters. Is it clear, children? Yes. So next one, D, 9 meter and 22 centimeters. 9 meter and 22 centimeter. So first thing, we have to convert this meter into centimeters. So for that we have to multiply this 9 by 100. Okay, so 9 meter is equal to 9 into 100 centimeter, which is equal to 900 centimeters. So we have converted this meter into centimeters. And in the next step, we have to add this 900 centimeter and 22 centimeters. Okay, so 900 centimeter plus 22 centimeter is equal to 922 centimeters. Is it clear, children? Yes. So only thing, we have to multiply by 100. Okay, to convert meter into centimeter, you have to multiply by 100. Okay, yes. So next one, third problem, convert into meters and centimeters. So they have given in centimeters and we have to convert that centimeters into meter and centimeters. Okay, so how many centimeters is equal to 1 meter? Do you all remember? Just now I told. How many centimeters is equal to 1 meter? So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Right? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So you have to remember this. Okay, this is very, very important. Okay, if you know that only, you can convert. Okay, children. So first problem, 179 centimeter. Okay, 179 centimeter. So we are going to convert the centimeters into meters and centimeters. Okay, so 179 centimeter can be written as 100 centimeter plus 79 centimeter. Like that we can write, right? So 179 is equal to 100 plus 79. Shall we write like that? Yes, 100 plus 79 is equal to 179, right? So we can write 179 as 100 plus 79. So 179 centimeter is equal to 100 centimeter plus 79 centimeter. And we all know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, right? 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So we can write it as 1 meter plus 79 centimeter, which is equal to 1 meter 79 centimeter. Okay, so we have converted into meters and centimeters. Is it clear, children? So what we have done? We have splitted this 179, right, into 100 centimeter plus 79 centimeters. And we already know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So this can be written as 1 meter. 1 meter and 79 centimeters. Okay, write the 79 centimeters as it is. Okay, children, have you all understood? Yes, so we will do one more problem. Okay, so 860 centimeters. 860 centimeters. So we have to split this 860 centimeters into 800 centimeter plus 60 centimeter. Okay, and we all know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 800 centimeter is equal to 8 meter. Okay, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Then 800 centimeter is equal to 8 meter. Okay, so 800 centimeter can be written as 8 meter and write this 60 centimeter as it is. So the answer is 8 meter 60 centimeter. Okay, 8 meter 60 centimeter. Yes, have you all understood, children? Okay. The next one, 900 centimeter. 900 centimeter. So we all know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then 900 centimeter is equal to 9 meter. Yes. So 900 centimeter is equal to 9 meter. Okay. And the next problem, D, 7791 centimeter. 7791 centimeter. So first thing we have to split this, right? So it can be written as 7700 centimeter plus 91 centimeter. Okay, 7700 centimeter plus 91 centimeter. So in this 7700 can be written as 77 into 100, right? So there are 77 meters. Okay, 77 meters and 91 centimeter. Okay, so or you can write like that, 7700 centimeter. So to convert centimeter into meter, what we have to do? We have to divide it by 100, right? To convert centimeter into meters, we have to divide by 100, right? So if we divide 7700 by 100, then cancel common number of zeros. Then what is the answer? 77, right? So 77 meter. So 7700 centimeter can be written as 77 meter and this 91 centimeters. Have you all understood, children? First you have to split that into two parts. Okay, and you have to divide the first one by 100. Okay, because to convert centimeters into meters, we have to divide by 100, right? So after dividing, we are getting 77. So 77 meters and 91 centimeters. Okay. So similarly, the next problem, 3871 centimeter. So first thing we have to split it into two parts, right? So how to split? So 3871 centimeter can be written as 3800 centimeter plus 71 centimeter. And to convert centimeter into meter, what we have to do? We have to divide, right? So 3800 divided by 100. And cancel common number of zeros. Then what we will get? So we will get 38 meters and write the 71 centimeters as it is. So the answer is 38 meter and 71 centimeter. Okay. And one quick tip is there. Okay, one quick tip. What is that? So suppose if we are going to convert centimeters, only centimeters, into meters and centimeters, then the last two digits will be the centimeter and remaining will be the meter. Okay, this is the one quick tip. Okay, so directly you can write it in meters and centimeters. How? So to convert the centimeters, only centimeters, not meters, okay? Suppose if we are going to convert centimeters into meter and centimeter, then the last two digits will be centimeter and the remaining digits will be meter for all the problems, okay, in centimeters. Okay, so similarly, look at the previous problem, 7791 centimeters, right? So we are going to convert the centimeter into meter and centimeter, right? So the last two digit will be the centimeter. What is the last two digit? 91. So 91 centimeter. And the remaining will be meter. What is the remaining? 77. So the answer is 77 meter, 91 centimeter. That is our answer, right? So like that also you can write. Okay. Suppose if you are going to convert centimeters, please remember only centimeters into meter and centimeters. Then the last two digits will be centimeters and the remaining digit will be your meters. Okay. Is it clear? Why the last two digits only will be the centimeters? Why? Anyone know? Because to convert centimeters into meters, we will divide by 100, right? We will divide by 100. 100 has two zeros, right? So the last two digit will be your centimeters and the remaining digit will be your meters. Okay. So have you all understood what I have taught today, children? Right? So go through all the problems, okay? Do on your own, okay? Practice all the problems on your own, okay? Okay, children. So I'll meet you in the next class, okay? Study well. Thank you.